we are going with 2 cups of coconut milk. Then we are going with cinnamon leaf and piece of cinnamon stem. Alright, and a star anise. This is it. Alright, most importantly, we need some salt. A cup of peanut. Mercy. Let it go all. Half cup of oats. Everything. Right? So we have a cup of water, but probably not all, but you can see. Alright, good luck with that now. We're going with 2 cups of water. So we're gonna go in with the blend. And don't worry, it'll get thick. I remember the oats in it. Alright, so you just want to stir this for a while. And occasionally you go in and stir it. You just want to make sure see everything mixed out in the liquid properly. Alright. Guys, if you have peanut here, special. The peanut here come from St. Elizabeth 2 days after the storm. Now remove the leaf then. I'll stick in there now. Need to find it. Okay, I do find it. Alright, so we're going with some nutmeg. Should I grate this in a something, you know? Hold on, I grate this in a something because I don't want the nutmeg dropping out. Alright, so I'm going with the nutmeg. Alright, I'll use some cinnamon powder, some vanilla. Alright, so I was an almond. Everybody asked me what was this, so this is it. Alright, we're going with condensed milk. To make a lot of liquid honey. And then I'll combine this. Alright. See, I couldn't see something a while ago. I know what that is. Guys, if you've made it this far, thanks for the support. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye, guys.